Understanding Tinted Glass, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, tinted glass. This phrase is often used in everyday English, especially when talking about windows or glasses. Let's dive in and understand what tinted glass really means and how you can use it in your conversations. Tinted glass refers to glass that has been treated with a material that reduces the amount of light passing through it. This treatment can change the color of the glass slightly, often giving it a darker appearance. Tinted glass is commonly used in car windows, sunglasses, and architectural designs. It's not just about aesthetics. Tinted glass can also offer benefits like reducing glare, protecting against UV rays, and enhancing privacy. Let's look at some common examples of tinted glass. 1. Car windows. Many cars have tinted windows to reduce glare and heat from the sun. 2. Sunglasses. Sunglasses often use tinted lenses to protect eyes from bright sunlight. 3. Office buildings. Tinted glass is used in many modern buildings to control temperature and provide a sleek appearance. Now, let's see how to use this phrase in sentences. I prefer cars with tinted glass for extra privacy. The tinted glass in my sunglasses really helps on sunny days. Our new office has large windows made of tinted glass to reduce the heat. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning of tinted glass and how to use it in your English conversations. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the little details. Keep practicing, and you'll continue to improve. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.